Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 22nd, 2024, and we're diving into Verizon's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Verizon's Q3 report is packed with insights, and I'm excited to break it down for our viewers.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Verizon reported a total operating revenue of $33.3 billion for the third quarter, which is flat year over year. John, can you elaborate on the revenue composition and profitability?
Absolutely. While the overall revenue remained flat, service and other revenue increased by 1.7% to $28 billion, driven by wireless service growth and Fios. However, wireless equipment revenue declined by 8.1% due to lower upgrade volumes. Net income was $3.4 billion, down from $4.9 billion last year, primarily due to severance charges. The EPS was 78, but on an adjusted basis, it was 119, slightly down from 122 last year.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Verizon's operational efficiency is a key focus. How did they perform in this area, and what does the future hold?
Verizon's adjusted EBITDA rose to $12.5 billion thanks to wireless service revenue growth and lower upgrade volumes. Operating expenses increased by 6% to $27.4 billion, but excluding special items, they actually decreased by 1.2%. Interest expenses rose due to higher rates. Looking ahead, Verizon maintains its capital expenditure guidance between $17 and $17.5 billion, indicating continued investment in network infrastructure.
Consumer and business segment performance. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did the consumer and business segments fare this quarter?
The consumer segment saw a slight revenue increase to $25.4 billion, with a 2.6% rise in wireless service revenue. The EBITDA margin improved to 43.4%. On the business side, revenue declined by 2.3% to $7.4 billion, mainly due to wireline revenue drops. However, the business segment's operating income rose by 4.8%, with an EBITDA margin of 21.8%.
Mobility and broadband highlights. Mobility and broadband are crucial for Verizon. What are the key highlights in these areas?
Verizon added 349,000 postpaid net additions, with a notable improvement in postpaid phone net additions to 239,000. FWA net additions were 363,000, reflecting strong demand. Fios revenue grew slightly to $3.2 billion. The postpaid phone churn rate improved marginally to 0.89%, showcasing customer retention efforts.
Key takeaways. In summary, Verizon's third quarter performance shows resilience in service revenue and operational efficiency, despite challenges in equipment sales and net income. The company's strategic focus on network investment and customer retention is evident. John, any final thoughts on Verizon's investment prospects?
Verizon's steady service revenue growth and focus on cost management are positive signs. However, the decline in net income and equipment sales are areas to watch. Overall, Verizon remains a strong player in the telecom sector, with a solid outlook for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you, viewers, for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Verizon's performance in the comments below.